Hello folks, this is Ben at Family Fun RV. Just want to call and talk to you about our new unit. It's the 1670 Sonoma bunkhouse. It's a great new unit we have, a little small travel trailer for you and your family. It's a great little unit you can take anywhere, any place. Always got spots to park. It's a beautiful unit that we just got here for the Northwest. You got a full-on walk-on roof here. It's easy to access, anything you need on top there. What I like about this particular unit, you have a nice little bed right here, queen size bed for you and your family. At the same time, you can go over here and see your little kitchen, your kitchen sink, your dinette, everything easy compartment. What's also a beautiful little thing about this thing is it's got little bunk beds for you little kids, and that way you're not spending all your money at a hotel at the beach. Other than that, come see me at Family Fun RV, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue, Portland, Oregon. Talk to you soon. Take care now.